Oh, I find a leak. Jesus, that's huge. Wow, no wonder. So in order not to put too much water in the boat, to put too much stress on the trailer and the hull, I fill it in, but I tilt the boat steep so I can run it to the aft and also run the water to the bow. So I test the bow first. There's no leak. Now it's in back here, and I spot the leak right here. That is big hole right there. Wow. Now I find the culprit so I can drain the water. That's a big gaping hole. Man, like I'm surprised that I didn't see it. That's like, this thing got hit by a 22 or something. Somebody shot it with a 22. Hey YouTube, how's everyone doing? Young Fish Taco here. Another beautiful day, another boat video. So in my last video, I changed the engine oil and oil filter for the Honda outboard on this Smokercraft 15-foot aluminum Alaskan. And then lately I've been noticing some like significant leaks on my boat, so I filled it out with water, and then now I find the gaping hole, so I need to find a way to fix it. Let's go. Alright, so I'm going to be using some sort of cleaned surface, some sort of clean plate to do the mixing. So for the boat, I'm going to be using the MarineWeld by JB Weld. So this is a sort of steel reinforced epoxy solution. You mix them together 1 to 1. It takes about 4 to 6 hours to set, and then to cure about 24 hours. I'm gonna let it sit overnight to the next afternoon. Then it should be withholding about 5,000 pounds of psi pressure, so it should be very strong for that hole right there. I'm going to using a really clean surface like a plate or something like that to do the mixing, and then you use some stir stick from Starbucks to get them all well mixed together. Yeah, let's go. So I'm gonna get the surface ready, kind of get it polished a little bit. Make sure it's all clean. So the cap has a little nipple to punch through the seal. Then, then you got white and black. So equal amount. So I do feel like I'm an oil painter right now. Master at work. All right, I think that should be enough for now. All right, so I'm gonna clean up a little bit before I put the lid back on. Make sure don't get it on your hand. I should be using gloves, but I work better without gloves. So all right, make some really good until they turn gray, right? So naturally when white mixes black, it turns gray. So we look for that gray consistency. Mix them really well. I'm going to spread it out a little bit, and then I'm going to use an electrical tape to hold them in place so that they don't keep falling out, so that they're evenly spread. Alright, it looks really ugly right now, but alright, I'm going to use this tape over it so that they hold in place. I'm gonna use 3. So I'm gonna go get them spread out outward. Just maybe squeeze out a little bit. And down there too. So scrape off some excessive ones out here. Okay, so I'm gonna have them set for 24 hours, and then I'm gonna use a sander to sand off all the rough edges, so it's get it too close to a consistency right here, like this. All right, so let's wait. Okay, so actually I had it cure for about 48 hours, not because I wanted to, because yesterday I didn't have time. So let's rip up the electrical tape and see what's underneath. Okay. Oh, okay, not bad. Oh wow, looks pretty good. Feels like aluminum to me. Well, I got a little bit of excessive right there, but it's not gonna hurt anything. It seems it's pretty smooth. All right, so I think I'm done here. If I botched it or there's some sort of concern down the road that I should be aware of, please leave a comment down below. Otherwise, I'm just gonna take it on the water, and then it should hold up and not leak anymore. But if this is not working, I'm probably gonna get a welder to do some, real welding to patch it up. All right, until next time, see you guys later.